Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card design, I am featuring the stamp set Grace's Garden. I have an online class starting today utilizing this bundle. If you want to stay to the very end, you can see a sneak peek. For today's card design, I am using Whisper White Regular and Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm inking up this flower image and stamping it down. And I think the reason why I like this stamp set so much, well, for one, it has a lot of flower images, but look at this sweet little kitty. I absolutely adore this little kitty. The sentiment I have here right now just is a simple hello. So I'm inking it up and stamping it down. And that is my card front. I'm going to be doing some alcohol marker coloring. I am using blends from Stampin' Up. I also have underneath my card front here, I have a porous surface. So this is my Stamparatus grid mat. It is a porous surface. So basically what happens when I'm using my alcohol markers is that the alcohol part of the marker sort of seeps down into the paper and it is not hitting a non-porous surface. It's hitting my paper and it sort of wicks through and it goes all the way through and it doesn't stop and it doesn't sort of bleed, if you know what I mean. So I am able to color right up to the black line. So the colors I'm using are, for the very top of the flowers, I used Blackberry Bliss, and then I used Highland Heather Light and Dark. This is Granny Apple Green. That was light. I'm coming in with my dark. This is the only part of this video I actually sped up, folks, because it was very simple to do. Now here's the a little bit more of the grass, and then here's the kitty. So I am coloring the kitty like my kitties at home. You know that I have two kitties. One's name is Molly, and she is black and white, kind of like a tuxedo. And Quinn, the crafting kitty, he actually is a tripod. I don't know if very many of you know that. He only has 3 paws. He was not necessarily born that way, but he had a little trouble when he was younger. Anyway, not to go on about my kitties, but he is more smoked colored. So anytime I color a kitty, it is usually using one of those 2 colors. So when I am using a colored cardstock, I like to put an insert in, and you can see that I stamped it with that little kitty again. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you again on Wednesday. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.